Electric scooters are everywhere in Miami. You see them parked on sidewalks, zipping through Brickell, weaving down Ocean Drive. They're convenient, but when something goes wrong, the injuries can be serious. I'm a Miami attorney who handles e-scooter accident cases, and here's what you need to know. If you crashed on an electric scooter, your case might involve more parties than you'd expect. Maybe a car cut you off. Maybe the scooter had a defective brake or a sudden battery failure. Maybe the road had a pothole the city failed to fix. Each of those points to a different responsible party, and each one matters for your recovery. Here's what to do after an e-scooter crash. Get medical attention right away, even if you feel okay. Take photos of the scooter, the scene, and your injuries. Write down the scooter's ID number before you walk away. And be careful about that user agreement you clicked when you rented the scooter, because companies use those terms to limit their liability. Florida's comparative negligence rules can reduce what you recover if they pin part of the blame on you. That's exactly why you want someone fighting for your side. If you were hurt on an electric scooter anywhere in Miami, call my office today for a free consultation. Let's talk about your options.